Hello friends, welcome back to analyzing stock market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the forex analysis for 15th to 19th June 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So yeah, as you can see 0.10% negative move, 1.15659 is the closing. Here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Now let's open a weekly chart and let's see what happened during our previous week momentum. So here you can see this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 43-45 level, which is indicating as a slight positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here 1.15659 is the closing. Direct support and direct resistance zones are already marked, and so these levels will be helpful for you to trade during this week. So as I said, 1.15659 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.15455, direct resistance is 1.15706. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15083 and then 1.14805. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.15956 and then 1.16208. These are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So now let's talk about my opinion. Before that, if you think how you can trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use the link given in the description, as well as I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. If you think this prop firms has very strict rule and you don't want to or you don't like to follow such rules in trading, then you can open your direct live account. To know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I help you with regarding that as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.15706 to 1.15956. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.15455 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. My expectation is a bit positive closing in this range till Friday. Even I'll be trading when I see a 4-hour one-day candle closing above this level or below this level, and accordingly I will trade. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.